Men may come, men may go, but an idea lives on forever. With this belief that an idea can change lives of people, Scholars Academy Kotdwar decided to introduce the Twin Win program in the school a short time ago. And the results have been wonderful. Right from business ideas to Vedic maths to communication skills to interview skills, our students have learned so many skills in these days. And it is said skill development is the most important aspect of education now. Education is the biggest weapon through which you can change the world. And our students of Scholars Academy Kotdwar are ready to change the world now. It is also said in Sanskrit, Yatha bhavo tatha bhavati. As is the belief, such is the result. So with this strong belief, we'll continue to put more hard work, and we believe that our students will come out with flying colors in their professional and personal lives. Journey of 1,000 miles has just begun, and we believe that great things are in store in the months and years to come. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Kanika of grade 9th A from Scholars Academy. Recently, I took a business idea session provided by Twin Win, and it was the best thing I have done in my life. I would never regret doing this. It was basically focused on teaching how to present your ideas. Most of the time, it happens that you have your ideas, but still you're not able to communicate it or to share it to others. In business, it is one of the main features to have communication skill and to attract customers.
Anshika Budakoti, and I am student of grade 11 from Scholars Academy. And today I am going to share the reviews of the business idea session by Twin Win. This is 21st century competitive environment and less job opportunities. So don't you think that in this environment a person needs quite different or unique skills?
Hello everyone, I'm Aditi Deep Chandra from grade 7th Scholars Academy. Today I'm here playing the role of Kalpana Chawla. Hey everyone, I'm Kalpana Chawla. I was born in Karnal, India on March 17, 1962. I enjoy riding, backpacking and reading.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Rawat. I study in grade 8 from Scholars Academy, and today I am over here to tell about the benefit that the students get after taking Twin Win session. With Twin Win session, we learned about personality development, life skills management. Now we are able to speak confidently, think in a creative manner. This happened with the multiple sessions like situation reaction test, word association test, biomimicry and many other activity-based.
Kinjal Negi from class 9th B this side. Biomimicry engineering. Strange word, isn't it? Well, I was this before attending the Twin Win session, but the teachers left me amazed. We learned how we can use nature's phenomena to solve really complex problems in a more cost and energy efficient way. The teachers encouraged us to use our observational skills and inspired us to use biomimicry concepts in our day-to-day life and wonder at the beauty of Mother Nature. It was a wonderful experience, and I'm looking forward for more sessions.
Akshara from grade 9C, and I'm the student of Scholars Academy Kotdwar. Today I'm here to tell you about some business plans which we have learned in our Twin Win sessions. As the business plans is a truly enlightening, it enhanced our confidence level and motivated us to present our views in public and with our customers.
Everyone, I am Gauri Rawat, student of 7th Standard from Scholars Academy. Today I am here to tell you about the aim of my life. I really want to become a neurosurgeon because I have interest in the subject. The reason behind choosing this occupation is that I love biology, and secondly, I like people. I feel very happy when I see a smile on their face, and for that I'm also working very hard.
Harika Tiwari from grade 11, a student of Scholars Academy, and I am here to share my thoughts on how important biomimicry engineering is. Biomimicry engineering is basically in which we implement science by imitating nature. It is basically learning from our Mother Nature. We learn to solve many complex problems. One example is how humans have learned throughout their life, starting from their beginning.
I'm Shreyashi Pant. In front of you, I'm the student of class 8th, and I'm student of the school Scholars Academy. Today I'm gonna to tell you about the team of Twin Win. I'm privileged to learn from the team of experts of Twin Win. We learn from Vaibhav sir, who is the TV personality and also comes in various TV channels, news channels like Aaj Tak, CNL, Republic TV, etc.
To say that
You cannot cross the sea mostly by standing and staring the water. So try hard to make your country proud. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Kavya Vedi and I am from school Scholars Academy, Kordwar. My topic is if you have 3 wishes, what you will do. So my first wish is I become a doctor and help poor people who are not provided good health facilities. And my second wish is my family should enjoy good health and throughout the life. My third wish is to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Thank you.
Everyone. My name is Ranegi. I am a student of Scholars Academy, Kodwar. Today I am here to give word association test.
The first word is book.
Books are man's best friend.
The second word is fight.
We have to fight with our problems.
Everyone, my name is Kamni Mamgai. I am a student of class 6 from Scholars Academy. My today's topic is if I were lost in an island for a day. So first of all, I will not panic and look for food and shelter.